Hello everyone, this is Collette with True Door Property Management. Today we are at 14 Iroquois Court in Irvine, California. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. As you walk in, you are greeted by the dining room, living room. You can make this kind of whatever you would like. There's a ceiling fan here. Don't mind my shoes. All right. Through here we have our kitchen. Again, you can make this one your living room. You can make this one your dining room. It's totally up to you. There is a fireplace, a gas fireplace, open concept into the kitchen, lots of natural light in here, tile floors for easy cleanup. All right, in the kitchen, lots of cabinets and drawers in here for storage, stainless steel appliances, microwave, stove, oven, dishwasher. Under the cabinet, lighting, large pantry space. Here is the backyard. Private backyard. Beautiful flowers. There's a lime tree or a lemon tree. I think it's a lemon tree right over here. Side door. This house does have central AC and heat, so you can stay comfortable all year round. We'll go down this hallway. To the right, we have our laundry room with washer dryer hookups. Storage behind the door here for your linens or whatever you would like. Through this door, we have our attached 2-car garage. All right. Across here, we have our first bedroom. Carpets in all the bedrooms. This one has a walk-in closet, which is a great addition. All right, and we have our first bathroom down here as well. Shower, tub shower. And now we will head upstairs. And straight ahead, we have our second bathroom. Tub shower in here. It just got reglazed. I promise you there will be doors. They're actually right there. So over here, we have our second bedroom. This one is very large. This actually is not the primary bedroom, but it's about the same size as it actually, maybe a little smaller. Ceiling fan is here. Mirrored closets. Lots of natural light from the 2 windows, which is great. This house is located on a cul-de-sac, so it feels very private. It is quiet here. Here is that 3rd bedroom. This is probably about the same size as the one downstairs, slightly bigger. Mirrored closets in here as well. All right, we will head over to the left side of the stairs. You have a closet here as well, linen closet, extra storage. Here is our 4th bedroom. This one is likely the same size as the one right below it. The first bedroom we looked at also has a walk-in closet. Lots of natural light in here. Here's our closet. And now we will head to the primary, which, as you can see, is about the same size as the other one we looked at, likely bigger. Huge walk-in closet. The mirror over here. Ceiling fan. It's huge. Could fit a king bed in here for sure. Maybe two. Just kidding. And here is our primary bathroom. To the left, we have the toilet, double vanity sink, and the shower over to the right. Again, this is 14 Iroquois in Irvine, California. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, central AC, heat, window coverings, carpet flooring, located in a quiet cul-de-sac. And for more information, feel free to visit our website at truedoorpm.com.